In today's video, I will teach you how to change your hairstyle in photos using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're just curious or planning a style makeover, AI Ease makes it super easy to preview different hairstyles and hair colors using the power of AI. No need for Photoshop or editing skills. You can start by opening your browser and heading to the AI Ease Hairstyle tool. Once you're on the page, you'll see the option to either upload your own photo or try out a free sample image provided by the site. AI Ease supports the following file formats: JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and WebP. Now click the upload button and select a clear front-facing image with good lighting, and AI will handle the rest. A bonus tip is avoiding hats or hairstyles that already cover the face. This helps the AI generate cleaner results. And once your image is uploaded, look at the left panel for style and color options. You can select from male or female hairstyles and click more to expand and view additional styles. Then pick a hair color from the palette below. But take note that the hair color resets each time you choose a new hairstyle, so apply your preferred hair color after selecting the style. Once you've chosen the hairstyle and color that you want, click the Generate button, and wait about 10 seconds for the AI to apply the new look, and you'll see your new hairstyle appear like magic. At the top panel, you'll find a button labeled Before and After, so click and hold this button to see the original versus the edited photo. And you can also re-upload a new image if needed. But take note that you can only use the AI hairstyle tool for free once per day. After the first image is generated, you'll need to upgrade your subscription to try more styles and regenerate results. And once you're satisfied, you can click the download button to save the image to your device. With AI Ease, experimenting with hairstyles has never been easier. Whether you're planning your next haircut or just having fun, this tool gives you realistic, fast results from the comfort of your home. It's a great way to see how you'd look with bangs, curls, long hair, or even bold new colors. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.